New to Garden Affairs, the modern, sleek cedar garden shed. Come have a look. Immediately as you walk in, you can feel and see the quality. The cedar sliding door slides effortlessly on its top runner and has frosted glass windows to help with privacy. This strong and sturdy shed has a 19mm tongue and groove timber roof supported by sturdy roof joists and an EPDM rubber roof. This particular shed has a letterbox window installed. It's cedar framed and it has frosted glass single pane window to help with privacy. It's completely customizable, so you can put it where you like in your building. Each building is internally lined with a vapour barrier as standard. An alternative door option is to go for the cedar blended door. You can have this in either double or single. We've got it here as double and it nicely blends into the rest of the building. But it's fully customisable on size, and if you didn't like the cedar cladding, you could change it out for a ribbed spruce alternative. Want to find out more? Get in touch, talk to the experts at Garden Affairs.